So at this point in time, I want to introduce to you Google TV. Google Television is all about a search space, and this is a search icon which you can see. I'm gonna do a little enlargement on it, and then we got the success that we need. So the success we need right here is not about the sizing of the whole interface. It's just for us to make sure that we have a search icon and something to give us a display unit where we can fill in words and then use the appropriate search criteria for us to see um, what we really need. So right here, I'm gonna go back to the real lecture of today, blank space TV building technology. It's about blank space, you know. So we want to ignite this fluorescent tube and then place nothing on the part, all right? And then at the contact edge, we want to put a light spectrum to make sure that when the fluorescent is ignited, it hits the appropriate designated area and then gives you magic of television perhaps. So right here, this satisfactorily, I'm going to show you what I need, an application which I wish to bring in within my fluorescent tube. Now it's an empty space. So what do I think about the television? The television is less versatile, alright? And then I'm gonna ignore that to choose Google. So here is our result. But then we need a proof of this result, okay, to make us believe that this is actually the result that we got from this whole interface. So right now, how are we going to do that? It's very much simple. We will need um, um, we will need a software called Windows Explorer. Alright, to use Windows Explorer, you will copy the letters only. Sorry, I'm gonna do a Control Z for an undo. Now it's highlighted. You will do a copy by right clicking and choosing Copier. It means copy in Turkish language. Then you will find the first web search engine on your Microsoft taskbar. Here is the first, and you will click on it. So now when you have clicked on it, what do you have on your screen showing? It is very much important that you go through it once again from the beginning to the end. That is exactly what you have here. You see, so let's go back to it. You have a blank space, TV building technology, a table, blank space. So we start from the beginning to give this explanation. Alright, then when we consider this whole interface, we'll just call it an interface. So when you go back to Google, you will understand that Google is not an interface. Google is a program, a software designed for this particular movement. So what I'm going to do here is a compromise. What is a compromise? To elapse something, okay, on top of what is done already. So now this is um this is done already, considering the fact that we've been able to ignite it with internet signal from a Microsoft Word taskbar. So we would take a copy of Google name. So in order not to confuse you, I wouldn't want to click anything within this area. If I want to copy this Google right now, it will disappear. So I will choose to write Google in my interface. Okay, now I will say GOOGL, and I'm going to do a clear separation, and also I will remove the italics not to confuse you. So now you will also discover another thing, that this Google is in capital letter. So I will try my best to take the necessary role, which is G is for capital, O is for small letter, O is for small letter, G is for small letter, L is for small letter, E is for small letter. So that's what I'm going to do here without italics. So I will say um, G sorry about that. I would say G. It's still in italics, but I'm coming. I will use the taskbar editing program to bring it to normal formation, just like I'm telling you. So this is what you got here. I forgot to remove the caps lock, so don't bother about that. So now it's a highlight. So I will fall back to the necessary editing area where I need to get something approximate. It says on the line, and then you see this interface is not well elaborated. So what am I going to do here? All I want to do is just to get Goggle in line. So I will try Control I as italics demands, but it's not giving me what I want. So I will do another thing by saying you say the only italics we have here is space. From here we is not italics, so I'm gonna be careful to say space in capital and the appropriate and G um, O G L E all in shape with what I need. So I'm gonna say space. No, I'm gonna say I'm gonna bring it back into this interface and use my space bar to do a capital first for space and then hook up to G and come back um, to small letters, and I'm right here. So at this time I want to copy everything, then I'll come back to Windows Explorer icon. Here's where you have Windows Explorer icon, so I'm going to say web. You see that? So now we got Google shown. So um, this is Google, and then we want to thank God because today is being a successful one, and then we got this group registered, and then we thank God for everything. So I'm gonna do more of research on this for a good finish. So here I got the appropriacy for that. You see, here is the appropriacy for that. So within the search inbox, it's encrypted with read-only memory. So we don't want read-only memory. We want random access memory. So random access memory is very much simple. We are the ones who created it. Actually, if you want to do random access memory, you do it with Mercedes-Benz seal or Vonor. You place it on your computer, connect it to the USB unit, direct to the power source and straight to kind GDAM codes, and you're getting all that you wanted. So I'm gonna do a Control Z right now to bring myself back. So to bring myself back right now, so now we are back to what we expected. So this is our television screen. This little fluorescent which you see right here is our television screen, and that is Google. Okay, that is Google. So we want to do a final hypothesis test and stuff, and all that was ever missed within um, educational board and stuff like that, just to bring everything to stability. And how we're gonna do that, I'm gonna do a PhD within the search box. I got a blank space building technology, a table blank space. But when you fall back to the internet explorer space, which is a new television program, you will find out that this place is completely empty. So that means the copy or the cut options still works hanging. So here we want to do an enter where we have the blinking disturbance and say enter. So what did we get on our television screen? Well, We got results for OOGLE. You see, when you're studying um, tables, for instance, I'm going to hook you up to something by taking a table, just one. You see that this is what I mean by a table. So when you consider a table, you see that a table is a place where you could keep several things, and it's very much electronic. On my table, I have a computer system and several gadgets which I'm working with, and they are all parts of the affection also. So right now, to the best of my knowledge, I'm going to take the first option, and this is what we got. But mainly looking at this, it's not very much attractive. So I'm going to do something commensurable, even to the taste of my indulgence. So this is what we got as our television screen. So we want to do a final proof on it. So what is the final proof? We want to go back to Microsoft Word. Now we got this table as our final proof. Considering the fact that if we have a television as large as this and we have a table on the screen where we can simply click in and type a search topic such as Gettysburg Marty, and then we'll place enter. We can get an enlargement of this fluorescent bulb, right? So back into the space, um, we see surprisingly that at the click of a taskbar outside the television screen, your taskbar is your remote control. So we are done with this shit, and then we don't have much time to talk about anything. This is where the whole television already stops. So here is an X. It simply means that this particular movement which you see here, DIKKAT is to GOGLE, comma, is not accepted. Okay, and then you don't need to look carefully here. This is just graphics. I embedded this graphics as fixed prices of United States of America, and I gave you 4% and lots of that. So I wish you could happen that to do stuffs. So right now, to give you the final elaboration of what I mean, I'm gonna simply elaborate on Google for you to see it very much clearly. I'm in love with that. And then for you to get relaxed. I love my students, and after the lecture, I want to give them some pills to go home with. So at this point in time, I'm going to give you a help for a medication by doing a copy and then going to the appropriate classes, which is scroll of words. So I'm going to do enter. It simply means time. So here is what we got as time. This becomes our television screen. So at the end of the day, when you had finished work, this is what you will find as your television screen, and then you will be happy with your work. Thank you very much. God bless you.